Hi, I'm Romil. Learn with me and grow together. Hi friends, let's start today's story. Title is
Discover your true abilities. One day, a lioness died while giving birth to a cub. Nearby, a flock of sheep was passing by, and the tiny lion cub accidentally joined them. The sheep thought he was one of them, and so they raised him among their herds. Growing up with the sheep, the cub believed he was just like them. He became a vegetarian, munching on grass happily, completely unaware of his true identity. He had never rolled or walked like a lion, so how could he know he wasn't a sheep? As time passed, the cub grew into an outstanding young lion. To the sheep, he was just another member of the flock, and he was content living among them. One day, however, a powerful old lion attacked the herd. When he saw the young lion grazing with the sheep, he could not believe his eyes. He had never seen a lion in such a setting. Curious, the older lion decided to capture the young one instead of the sheep. As the older lion approached, the sheep scattered in panic. The young lion ran too, frightened and confused, but the older lion managed to catch him. "Why are you running from me?" the older lion asked. The young lion, shaking with fear, replied, "Please let me go. I am just a poor sheep." He begged like one, terrified. Understanding what is happening, the older lion took him to the nearby lake. The young lion resisted, terrified of what might happen, but the older lion was firm. He pulled him closer to the water's edge and said, "Look at your reflection." Hesitating, the young lion gazed into the still water. As he looked, tears filled his eyes. For the first time he saw not a sheep but a lion staring back at him. The realization struck him deeply. He was not a sheep but a lion. In an instant, he let out a powerful roar that echoed through the forest, sending the sheep running away. The young lion felt a surge of energy he had never known before. All his weakness and shyness vanished. This story carries a thoughtful message. Think about the hidden talents and strength within you. You might be like that lion, surrounded by those who make you feel lesser, convincing you that you cannot achieve your dreams. But just as the young lion discovered his true self, you too can break free from those limiting beliefs. Recognizing your true potential will empower you to pursue your path to success, and nothing will be able to hold you back.
Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.